Hey guys, today I will show you an adorable gift wrapping idea. What you will need, your gift of course, really pretty wrapping paper. I chose pink, some ribbon. I actually got this ribbon from the ribbon. It's so pretty. And this is 5/8 inches in width and this is like 2/8 inches in width. So I just thought this would be really cute. I also have some tulle. And I have about 4 or 5 pieces of tulle. And this is 14 inches in length. And I have 3 pieces of the thicker ribbon and it's about 12 inches in length. Also bow wire and the mini Bodabra. Scissors as well, and a hot glue gun. If you want your bow larger or smaller, definitely modify your ribbon to fit your needs. Alright, let's get started. I'm actually going to use the larger Bodabra since I have a lot of tulle in ribbon. So just fold your bow wire in half. I want to place my tulle first. I cut the tulle into 10-inch long pieces. I'm just going to place it down and just like that. You can do them all at once, but I like to do them separately because it just makes the bow fluffier. Alright, that looks so cute and adorable. That would actually make a cute bow by itself. Alright, so I'm going to take my first piece, fold it in half to find the center. With the right side of the ribbon facing up, I'm going to scrunch it right in the center and place it down. Then I'm going to take my next piece, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and scrunch it down. Make a loop. And scrunch the other side down as well. I estimate my center, or you could fold in half to find the center. Scrunch it down. Use your wand to help you kind of maneuver everything. I'm just repeating the same step with another piece of ribbon. Just like that. Scrunch the center. Make sure your wand is in place before you start manipulating it so that it doesn't all come loose. Okay, so I did decide to go ahead and ribbon cut the ends, which for ribbon cut I am just going to fold it in half, the open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. And it looks so cute and adorable, just like that. Fold in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. So cute. So I decided to do that with this piece, and also I ribbon cut the ends of that one as well. And just fold it in half. So this is actually 16 inches long. And then this piece is 14 inches. So I'm going to do the 16-inch long piece first. So fold it to find the center. Place it down. Now, the thinner ribbon, just be careful with it because it is thinner, so it can easily slide out. I'm just going to make a loop, just like that. And another loop, just like that. You're going to bring the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold it down, and give it a nice tug. And then I'm going to tie it and a knot a couple of times. And I'm just going to cut away the excess. If you plan on using the extra bow wire to tie it to something, then definitely keep it. Just going to cut it like that. And I'm going to take one more small piece and I'm just going to tie this in a knot. This is just going to serve as my center. So this is about 4 or 5 inches, so I tied it in a knot. I'm going to place it down in the center, just like that. And just tie it at the back. You could definitely hot glue this part if you'd like. So I've placed the tool down already, as you guys saw. And what I can do with this is just place the entire bow down. So this is a nice way to kind of change up your bow. If you want to use it for something different and you need an extra color scheme, you could just place it in the back, just like that. Alright, you are going to take your bow wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop, and give it a nice tug. Make sure you hold your bow in place, and then remove it from the bodabra. And we're just going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. Okay, so this is actually what our final product looks like. You can modify it, change it to fit your needs. But the last thing we are going to do is attach it to our gift. And sometimes I don't like to attach it just because it ruins the bow. But it's completely up to you. You can hot glue it down to the gift, or you can take your bow wire, keep it extended, and like hook it on the gift. So completely up to you. But for now, I'm just going to glue it to my gift. Like that. You can place it in the corner. You can have it long ways. Possibilities are endless. I think I'm going to place it in the center like that because that looks so cute and precious. So once you have it exactly where you'd like it, just take some hot glue, a small dot, and hot glue it in place. And that way, if you don't put too much glue, then you can still, like, if you're careful, reuse the bow for a later date. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So cute, precious. You can make the bow larger, smaller, whatever you'd like. So cute and precious and simple to do. Personalize it to fit your needs.